Hello, welcome back to another DIY video. Before we get started, make sure you give me that thumbs up to help the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel on the bottom right hand corner. I'm going to show you how to reset your maintenance light on your 5th generation Toyota 4Runner. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and turn on the car to show you what I'm talking about. So there's that maintenance light that I'm referring to. It says maintenance required. I'm going to show you how to reset it. Before you reset it, you have to make sure that you use your instrument cluster key right here. Get it into the trip 1 button. Trip 1 mode, or trip A, All right, so once it's in your trip A, turn it off. Okay. Try to put the camera down real quick. It's going to be kind of tricky because I need both hands. So now you're going to put it into the on position while pushing this button in. Push the button. This button right here that I'm tapping. Push and hold, turn it on into the on position, and you see where it says resetting maintenance data. Okay, now you are good to go. Let's turn it on to verify. Off, on. Good to go. If you like this video, make sure you give me that thumbs up to help the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel in the bottom right hand corner, and I will see you on the next one.